Hey David! Thanks for meeting me. I'm really excited about my new job in San Francisco, but honestly, I'm feeling overwhelmed by all the paperwork and legal requirements. Can you explain the main employment laws I should be aware of as a foreign tech professional working in the US?
Absolutely, Anna. First of all, congrats on the new job. There are several important laws and regulations that you need to understand, especially related to your visa status, work conditions, and employee rights. Have you already secured your work visa?
Yes. I'm on an H-1B visa. The company is sponsoring me, but I've heard that there are a lot of rules I need to follow to stay compliant.
That's right. The H-1B visa allows you to work in the US for a specific employer, but it comes with restrictions. For example, if you want to change jobs or even switch roles within the same company, your employer needs to file a new petition for you.
Wow. So I can't just move to another position without updating my visa status?
Exactly. Any significant change in your job role or employer must be reported to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Also, keep in mind that the H-1B visa is tied to your employer, so if you leave your job or are let go, you have a limited time to find a new employer to sponsor you.
How much time do I have if that happens?
You have a 60-day grace period to find a new job or leave the U.S. It's critical to make sure that a new employer is ready to take over your sponsorship quickly.
Good to know. Are there any other key laws or rights I should be aware of as a foreign worker?
Yes, foreign workers have the same workplace rights as U.S. citizens, including protections under federal employment laws like the Fair Labor Standards Act, which ensures minimum wage, overtime pay, and other worker protections. Also, anti-discrimination laws apply to all employees, regardless of their immigration status.
That's reassuring. But what about healthcare and benefits? Will I have access to the same benefits as U.S. employees?
That depends on the company's policy. Many tech companies offer comprehensive benefits packages, including health insurance, retirement savings plans, and paid time off. You should be eligible for the same benefits as U.S. employees, but make sure to carefully review your employment contract to confirm.
I'll definitely go over my contract in more detail. Are there any particular issues foreign workers often run into that I should watch out for?
One common issue is maintaining your immigration status if you decide to pursue further education, or if you want to start your own business in the U.S. Depending on your goals, you might need to switch to a different visa category, like an F1 student visa or an investor visa.
Interesting. I hadn't thought about that yet. Can foreign workers also apply for a green card?
Yes, many tech professionals on H-1B visas eventually apply for permanent residency through an employment-based green card. Your employer can sponsor you, but it's a multi-step process that can take several years, depending on your country of origin and the availability of green cards.
So, if I decide to stay in the U.S. long-term, I should start thinking about the green card process early?
Definitely. It's a long process, but starting early helps. Your company's HR department might already have experience with this and can guide you through it. Just be prepared for some bureaucracy along the way.
I guess there's no escaping the paperwork. One last thing. What happens if my company is acquired or restructures? Would that affect my visa status?
It could, depending on the specifics of the acquisition or restructure. If your employer's federal identification number changes, it's considered a significant change, and USCIS would need to be notified. It's always a good idea to stay in close contact with HR in these situations.
That's good advice. Thanks so much, David. I feel a lot more prepared now.
Anytime, Anna. Best of luck with your move to the US and your new job.